Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Hira Hearts. In this video, I am going to explain you how I draw this realistic drawing too. As I explained in my previous video, I made this sketch by using the grid method, and once the sketch has been done, I take a eraser and make the outlines lighter. Once the sketch has become the lighter lines, I start with using the mechanical 2B lead pencil slowly and calmly. Most probably, and while drawing this type of realistic drawings, you will face the lot of challenges while drawing a shadings. So the tones are most important while drawing this type of drawings. So always try to maintain the proper tones which you have taken and seen by your reference. Make a grayscale and judge the what type of tone you want to execute and where and what's the pressure need on the same content. Once you start the drawing, always keep the tracing paper below your hand. It can avoid smudging from your drawing. In the darker tones, I usually use the 6B graphite pencil, and for extreme dark I use 10B, 8B. So while drawing this type of pictures, you should always keep practicing yourself at last 1 hour a day. The practice make the very perfect in this type of drawing. And one more, the biggest tips is you should always enjoy your work while doing. So that is the main fundamental. And while drawing a detail, you should not make hurry. You should give the time what the subject exactly requires. So always keep patience while drawing this type of realistic drawings. How much time you spend on your drawing, how much hours or else how much days, it give more vibrant and realistic feelings in your drawing. For example, the lot of big artists around the world, they work on single subject hardly, or usually they work on 24 to 36 hours, sometimes 80 hours too. So you can just imagine what will be the output, and it will be one of a beautiful sculptures, beautiful execution, beautiful masterpiece in their drawing. Because that's the important thing, they do not do speedily, they give maximum focus on the detail works. So approximately this drawing took me to draw 20 to 22 hours. I usually make the drawings in between when I am free. So for my previous video and this video, I took lot of time because I was busy in my personal things, so I did not got the proper time to draw this type of detailing work. You can observe one thing, whenever I am drawing this type of things, I usually take little bit complication reference only, because once you do the most realistic and detailing work, the appreciation will be high, and apart from the appreciations, you will get lot of attention from the viewers and who see your drawing too. So I always choose the more detailing works only. And the one more thing, you can learn lot of things in that. Usually while drawing this type of realistic work, I too learn the lot of things which I can implement in my tattoo work too. So on the further and the future also, I usually take the more realistic, and I usually works on the micro realistic arts only. And upcoming my next video is the 3D drawing which I am doing. You can see the miracle of a pencil work what I do in my next drawing. So if you like this video, or if this video is really helpful to you, Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. As soon as I upload the next videos, you will get the notification, and it will be lot of support to me to make one of the greatest drawings and good contents too. So while drawing the chair, you should consistently maintain a proper lightings. The proper lightings come from the source of the light is travel into your drawing. The left hand side which I draw, there is a darker tone, and what I am going to draw right now, it is a background I will draw in a lighter tone. So the depth of the field is behind that man. You can overall see the output once this entire drawing is completed. And always use the branded pencils which you can afford for the best price, because while using a Staedtler pencil, stenography pencil, the leads are usually darker in their tone and the smoother too. For example, to test like that, you take just one Staedtler set of pencil and another unbranded pencil too. You can see the lot of different while drawing a single line. The same 4B gives the more brighter in Staedtler, and another set of any pencils, it may be any brand, that will give little bit lighter compared to this one. So I suggest, and I personally use the Staedtler pencil only. While drawing a books in the shelf, you should observe the details where you should give the darker tone and the lighter tone. Your drawing outputs is mainly based on the structure, how you make a sketch, and the overall the shadings and the lighting, the proper lighting which you give into your drawing, it give more realistic output too. So always the maintain proper lightings. And if you want to see my previous video, you can just go to my playlist and just check it out. You will get more tips over there too. If you like this video, please share to your friends and others too. Actually, for to make your skin little bit smoother, I usually use the brush. Actually, that is not a good method, but sometimes I use brush. And while doing this drawing, I really enjoyed a lot while drawing the details, and I am really happy of this output. One of my clients visited while drawing this, and they suddenly saw and they are really surprised how it can be possible so much of detail in this much small scale. So that how I recognize myself, I am in the right way. So always enjoy your drawing. I think so this video is helpful to you. If you have something doubt, means you can just comment me in the comment section, and you can follow me on the Instagram at the vijay/.hyra-tattoos. And if you are a beginner, I will give some suggestions. Always do not mind about the criticism, because a lot of people has been criticized me also. You should take the first step. You should practice, and you should keep on practice. You should keep on working on your good reference and the tones too, because once you have a knowledge of making a good drawing, you should keep on practicing on the different types of methods. Even through while I am a beginner, I also faced a lot of problems, but I did not stop to. I keep on practicing. Still now also I will keep on practicing, and I will learn lot of new things and new mediums. And before that, it's one of a good suggestions, keep on seeing the other drawing videos to inspired by lot of works. What you see, it will make you, and it will give you the confidence which you can also go through. So I suggest you to get motivated and keep practicing. What the outputs comes and goes, that doesn't matter, but the first step you should keep on learning. That is the important fundamental lights. Before making the original tone, you always apply B using a B pencil. You always apply the basic tone, the lighter one, and after that what all you want to get into your drawing, you should keep on adding tones by layer, because once you made a black patch on anything, it cannot remove, or else you cannot give the complete shade on that. So always maintain from lighter side to darker tones. As you see in this video, I always use the base tone by using a Brie graphite pencil, so it will be more convenient to make whether it is a darker tone or a lighter tone. See, present I am doing the darker tone by using a 8B, and always maintain different types of eraser. It will give more freedom to make a highlights in a smaller darker portion. Use a regular eraser and mono eraser, and in further videos, in my future videos, I am planning to make a how to draw for a beginners videos too. So always get in touch with me, subscribe to my channel, and you will get the bell icon pressed over there. And always keep the hope and confident, even through I also face a lot of criticism. If you observe me in this video, my English is not so fluent, but that what the dare I do is I step into speaking out. In 2 to 4 videos, my English will be absolutely fluent. But from seeing this, what you will going to get is you should keep on trying with the new things. That is the main fundamentals of the realistic life. So always keep practicing, keep practicing, keep practicing. And one more important is, before starting your drawing, always practice a free lines to make your hand smooth and comfortable. And today in this video, I think so my explanation has been helpful for you. If you like, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. On the coming up next video, I am drawing a realistic 3D drawing. Maybe it is very difficult and it is more effective than my previous videos. So do not forget to see my next video too. And I hope you like this video and it was little bit helpful to you. If you have any doubts, means you can please comment me below. And while drawing this type of drawing, the one of the main fundamentals is you should keep on focusing on the detail again and again, and especially the anatomy and the perspective of the structures. It gives you the more realistic feeling in your drawing. And for this drawing, I use the materials Excel bond paper, Staedtler pencil, and airbrush and eraser too. This is a 6B ordinary pencil to give the more sharpness into my drawing. I am using it. You should press little bit harder while giving a highlights too. Okay. Once again, I hope you like this video. If you have any doubts, means you can feel free to comment me below, or else you can message on Instagram too. The link will be given in the comment section. If you want to see my more videos, you can just have a time and just check it out in the playlist. Once entire drawing has been completed, after that I use mono eraser for make the little bit highlights. This is the video of my realistic drawing. I hope you enjoyed. I will come up with my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye. We will see in the next video. Thank you. Lot of love and respect to my viewers. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope one stay safe.